Hi everyone, welcome to Andhra Tech. Today we are discussing about why Python is more popular than other programming languages. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon. You will get latest updates on my channel. Python is a general purpose and high level programming language. It was created by Gerda van Rossum in 1991. We can use the Python for developing desktop GUI applications and web applications and also websites. The name Python was adapted from the series of Monty Python's Flying Circus. Van Rossum thought he needed a name that was short and unique and slightly mysterious, so he decided to call the language as Python. Many companies use the Python language like Google, YouTube, IBM, Netflix, etc. Python has been important part of the Google. It is one of the key language at Google today. Let's see why Python is more popular. Python support work on a different platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. The syntax was very simple and similar to the English language. We can learn easily. Compared to other programming languages, we can develop the application with few lines of code. Python is an interpreted language. It means, for example, if we write any program in other languages, first it compiles the source code converted into bytecode and generate .class file, and then execute and gives output. But in the Python language, there is no .class files. It directly gives output because it is an interpreted programming language. Let's see the uses of Python. Python used to create web applications on server side by using the software to create workflows. Python is used to handle the big data and perform complex mathematics. It is used to connect the database system to read and modify files. And it is a rapid prototyping. Python used to write system scripts. That means we create instructions that tell a computer to do something. Next, the features of Python. Python is a free and open source software. It is extensible and embeddable. It means to combine the other programming languages with Python like C and C++. It is high level programming language, so we can't manage garbage collection and memory management. Python have large standard libraries. It is portable. It means to move the code from one platform to another platform. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It can support all OOPS concepts. It is interpreted programming language, so we easily convert the code into computer understandable language. Next, we see how to execute code in Python. There are two ways to execute code. First, we will know how to execute code in command prompt. Open the command prompt. Change the directory where we install the Python. Type python hyphen, it will give which version we use present. I am using Python 3 version. The 3 greater than symbols is the meaning of Python prompt. Let's simply print hello Python. We will print the output statements by using print statement. For example, if a is equal to 23 and b is equal to 45 and print a plus b, the result will give 68. We don't declare any variable type in Python. We don't give any semicolons in end of the statement. But in the other programming languages, if we miss semicolon, then it gives error. If you want to exit from Python prompt, just type exit or Ctrl+Z. The secondary way to execute code in Python by creating file with .py extension. First, open the notepad or IDLE, and then next we write code. For example, if a is equal to 34 and b is equal to 67, print a plus b. Save the file by using .py extension. And next go to the command prompt. Change the directory where we save the file. Type the file name here. We will get the result 1 at 1. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share others.